Whaongale tau tua le Pacific Easy le masina ato o te sema ma maua I loa wanoa I te ono manu malo ai I whaino tupe ta I lua se lautala e wha se fulu o sa mia mo lara whaapitoa mole ki risi masi e se fulu whailonga I sa ina I venga so te tasi e a fuatu le stona I se fulu o te sema aso se fulu fitu lus fulu wha ma le stona I tolus fulu tasi o te sema ma da tuala na whainga pa anga ma le moana rinto si Samoa e te le tavale se ese te fili mai ai e whetau I maso se wha amoe moe mo di si whaamtalanga wala au le Pacific Easy I le ovalu se lau o tasi ono po le lua fitu ono fitu iwa fitu wha po le lua fitu ono fitu iwa walu wha I o maru I tele le kirisimasi a inga uma o Samoa whawitei tele le langolango I le rei tausanga Pacific Easy o laupa anga mo tupe whamamoli I Samoa.
O te whaatalo whaatu, maofolo whaatu, I le paia mawalunga o le tātou au mai moa I le nei aso. O lau au auna le nei o pea Semu. O le ua se e mai le foe mo le tātou polkalame māsani I afi uma. Mai le aso ngafua tau I le aso whareile. Ia e eile manatu o lo o manuia masaunga le mua o tau. Ona lea lofa ma leanga le lea lea li. O lea ua Ona lea lofa ma leanga le lei o lea li. O lea ua e ma le manuia feiva o le ne yaso. Ma lole soifua manuia o mai tātou. Masalo ua tauwha mi sia lava Asiata. I miss him too. But welcome back to your Tautai A'e for today. And we hope you are having a wonderful day. For me, I would first of all, would like to acknowledge ma whawhetai foi I le tātou sponsors because ana le tātou sponsors e le mawhai o na whaatino I le tātou porkalame aso uma. So I do want to acknowledge our number one, our main sponsor, Tasi Market. Ia whawhetai lava Tasi Market a whaapea that you haven't decided po wheme e whailo whaatau I le kirisimasi awa le popole e mawhai o na whailo whaatau I le Tasi Market. Tasi Market I Messi, whaapea ia Tasi Market Papakura, a whaapea fo e o leiti ngai Glen Innes, o e asi ia le Tasi Market Glen Innes. There's wide range of deals going on, so o loa e whaile whaakau. Bulk, don't worry, e maua uma fo I le bulk I le Tasi Market. And of course, Pacific40 talo for voucher. You know, is the number one online solution for our families in Samoa. So, po whemea o leite iei I le lalolangi, don't worry. You can send a little bit of alofa to your ainga with Talofa voucher. E latu I le Facebook page a le Talofa voucher, or Pacific40, sorry, you will see a wide list of where you can shop. I ngai kua, I apia, savai, Don't worry, it's all there. You can also fill out your petrol. And I would like to say thank you, whawhetai lava, to our other sponsors. Maota o Samoa, a whaapeo leite nai Samoa, e mana o mia fo ia se awala, you know, for all of your petrol. They even have bricks on site. They have service. You can head over to Maota o Samoa, so whawhetai lava a Maota o Samoa. Don't forget, you can also use a tala for voucher there at Maota Samoa. And of course, Lucila Property Brokers and Realty. Whawhetai lava I le tamaita I pule I a Lucila. If you are looking for a property to invest or to buy a property in Samoa, you can do that with Lucila, a trusted name. Because, you know, what's e lea tātou o leo ua tātou o I lesi ka ngaka lea, but e vai e mo I fole ata, we just look back. The paperwork is not actually what it says or it seems to be. So head over to Lucila and check out the information will be provided on our program. Also, every day you're forgetting who our sponsors are and our services, and you would like to share your services on our infomercials, please contact our admin team here on Bluwave. This morning, it's been an awesome, busy day with the team, but we continue with our Christmas special. Christmas lea. Because I would like to now acknowledge for our Christmas specials, it's our give back. It's our time that we give back to our sponsors, and also e share for I le tato pisingisi awa e fesosowani e lesi, you know, each other. This morning we had the opportunity to speak to our sponsor, the beautiful Falute of Pacific40, ia Taupea, ia Talai for Digicel, and also the collaboration with Kilickex. Right after this break, we will see our interview and our talanoa with Falute, ia Taupea, ia Leaupepe, ia Talai.
A whaia te mo mia o loa mai Samoa, ma nisi o atu moto le Pacific40 matonga. E na o le Tasi lava le marketi te mo mia, le Tasi Market.
Tasi Market, e le ngata I fua whatoanga, e maua fo I a te maisi me tau mawha mai le moana.
E peia ona uwhai atu, e te maua uma o loa mai atu moto le Pacifica. O le talo le te sila mai ai, numero Tasi lea o loa sa palai mai le atu o fiti. Kako karongi ue fo ia yaso ia. Maua foi le umala mai tonga. E le gata I lea, mo I lātou e fia le tātou tama o le whai. E te maua umala vai Tasi Market.
A whawhetu langa o whaalawe.
E sa o le lei, e maua tātou pusa pisupo. Tu ainga le lei ia leo le pama. Le gata foi lea, maua pusa moa, I so si tu ainga sizes. Whape foi la kako pusa siu pipi. Panse mai ngar ka pusa siu ngar whapule mole. Tai. Tama ia mo fara la vergata foi leo pusa pepe I le Tasi Market.
E maua foi ipu mo whaalawe in bulk I le Tasi Market.
Ia le nasa moa. A mai ala ona fai umala whaatau I nei le o ranga le Tasi Market. Aua nei e tu muli. Ai alo fai nei o tātou ai ngai Samoa o le fea ngai Markoviti. E iai fo I le lātou o ranga ua tā ua le MoneyGram. E lafo ai tupe mo ai ngai Samoa e le ngata o nisi o atu moto le Pacifica. E tasi lava no fuanga I te whaia ai tūranga uma nei. Le Tasi Market, whale o loi Massey Road I West Auckland, a le ngata I Leaupepe I South Auckland.
Can you be my wife?
Maloriso for Falute, it's always so good to be in your presence, and of course, the team here, Pacific40 talo for voucher, wa mai.
Yeah, whaatalo whaatu le malo le tatu atu no olo mai mua mai tatu pokalami le nei aoli. Yes, Bear, it's been ages since we last sat in this forum and, you know, just talk about what's been happening in the business and so forth. But I'm well, thank you. It's we've been very busy, and it's amazing how we're coming to the end of the year, and it's December tomorrow. But myself and the team, we've been well, thank you.
You know, as always, yes, Christmas, it's the most exciting time of the year. Wao fo ia e kemi fo inga lea. Le lava fo ia whaakau mea lofa, but the perfect gift has, for me, I have to say, has been a service that's, you know exactly where your money is going to. But look, you know, it's been such a massive year for Pacific40 Talofa voucher. You know, what is one thing that you have been grateful for this year?
I think one of the things that I've been so grateful for this year is the support from our customers. And we all know without our customers, you know, you can't thrive or you can't survive in your business. And I suppose this is also an opportunity for me to say thank you to all our customers who have come through our platform and purchase a voucher for their families in Samoa. And you know, just grateful that we have the community to back us up. You know, we've had customers call in, check in. You know, what is Talofa voucher? How does it work? How does it work in Samoa? Are they going to receive it straight away? You know, all these questions. Curious of how our service works, because you know it's new. Although we've been in business for the last 3 years, but we find that some of our community are finding it as a new product. And along the way, they see it as a very easy and convenient way to support their families in Samoa. So I'm very grateful for the support of our customers.
Alute, Christmas is a lot of things. It's, you know, for us, Mesia Kako Samoa, you know, it's about giving. It's about ainga. It's about stopping and reflecting. And, you know, this is what Talofa voucher or Pacific40 service is all about, really. It's giving throughout the whole year, 12 months. We are constantly giving, so it's pretty much your service. What does Christmas mean to you?
Yeah, well, like you said, it's all about, Christmas is all about giving, you know. And the reason, you know, Jesus is the reason for this season. And he gave his all for us, you know. He gave us an opportunity to be saved and to be forgiven for all that we've done. And I think for this Christmas is, you know, time to reflect back on what we've been through for the last 12 months. And, you know, as we come in as a business, it's giving back to our families. You know, we are providing a very easy and a fast solution. As little as $30, 30 tala for your family to buy something that they want as a form of a gift, you know. And we, at this time for Pacific40 for Talofa voucher, we will have to provide a very easy way for our families to give back, you know. So one thing that means a lot for me in Christmas is giving. And yes, it is a hassle to try and figure out who are you going to give to and who are you not going to give to. But, you know, anything as small or it means a lot to the person you're going to give it to.
You know, Christmas, it's busy, you know. You try to avoid the queues in the shops. Le mele o ke fie le Talofa voucher. Ke le kai kainga e kulelenga is, you know, Taupea. Oh, I'm going to go and stand in the line to, it's online solution. Perfect. For anyone who reside outside of Samoa, you are able to send a gift or something that someone has really wished for Christmas. And you can provide the gift to our ainga in Samoa. You know, it's very simple. Our people are so simple. Sometimes they just want 30 tala e whaisinga mea e, you know, le ainga. or just something as simple as an ice pop. I know Irkako can make it. Yeah, ice cream. You know, those are the little treasures that our people love, those small wishes. For Christmas, Falute, what is your one Christmas wish?
Oh. I wish you could say all the wishes that you want, list down everything you want. But, you know, I think one of me personally, one of my wishes for Christmas is to bring my whole family together, you know. We're here in New Zealand, but you know, we've got one of our siblings in Australia, one in Samoa. I mean, not only for myself, but for my husband's siblings. One is in Brussels, one is in Samoa, and 2 of them are in Samoa. You know, I wish we could come together into one place and, you know, celebrate Christmas. You know, Christmas is just celebrated once a year. But, you know, it's all about family at this time of the year. I don't think we've ever celebrated Christmas together as one whole family, but, you know, yeah.
Family.
It's family.
Oh, I love that. You know, the thing about Christmas, or you know, and, you know, us as mums, you know, we know how difficult it is to navigate our Ilikemi, trying to avoid traffic, trying to make sure that our children are safe. The Christmas rush is ridiculous sometimes, but I know viewers o Leaupepe, la se tipa Falute. We know that Pacific40 Tautai voucher is the #1 online solution. So we want to hear from you. What is your Christmas tip?
It's really hard when it comes to Christmas. I think for some families, they have to plan 12 months ahead of what to do in Christmas. And, you know, we are all financially concerned. You know, it's you have to be on top of your money. You know, I guess one thing is just to budget wisely this Christmas. Waka fo le soifuanga na ko ia e lenga kai nge New Zealand pa o so se mea le ngela lo langi waka uma ia oloa. But ole budget fa le leia ia se le ni Kilickex. And with Tautai voucher, I believe it's also a great solution for our families overseas to budget very wisely. You know, you can, because it's not only Christmas for us, but it's Christmas for our families back home. So if you really budget wisely and just see whanganga se 5 sela kala Samoa ia 5 sela e o ko sela mo kupu New Zealand. Ia la fol nga 5 sela ia e alwe tu mal tala fale ia fa so fale le 5 sela na wala fa to me alo fa nga ke si masi Adela fa sole si mele mo matole no foi nei New Zealand e po Australia, America po so se mela langi wa ele ngata o New Zealand le faina fa tsa wele voucher. You can purchase the voucher anywhere in the world as long as you go through our website and you have a Visa or MasterCard, credit card, or debit card to pay for it. You know, and that's sorted right there on the spot. You, like you mentioned, we have to go through standing lines, you know, think of what to buy and stuff. Or you have to go through a shop and buy stuff to send to Samoa. You know, all that hassle of running around these days. But, you know, Tautai voucher is one fast solution for you to just send it home. Christmas is sorted.
Yep, you know, and I've used Tautai voucher service and I absolutely love it. It's such an easy way to send, and like I mentioned earlier, it's like Christmas all year round.
Every day.
But it's affordable. Like for me, it's the perfect way to contribute to your love to your ainga in Samoa. Lute, I know that a lot of people, you know, vaenga e le malamalama, le Pacific40 or talofa voucher service, you know, it's so easy for me to explain in small words, you know, that it's perfect, it's great. But can you just tell us a little bit about your business?
Yep, sure. So Talofa Voucher has been established for the last 3 years now. We've come up with a solution that is very easy, convenient for our overseas diaspora to purchase online. So I know some people have asked if they always if ata wale voucher o ngalafola. Yeah, so all these questions be Fiona versus CV Samoa. So we're an online service provider, remittance provider. So instead of you sending money to Samoa, you can now send a voucher, a shopping voucher. So you can just head on to our website, www.pacific40.com. We have a selection of services. We've got over 100 shops, grocery shops. Just to name a few, we've got Aliki Wholesale, Farmer Joe. We've got some of the retail shops in the villages. Tele lava falo oloi we no utua. Ai hanga I lava tata website. Olo iaile lisi ato o falo oloi o fai mo mafaina mato fai paanga. Ia ele ngata ile faino faatau o loa. Le o mafaina tongi le cash power. Tutongi atu le pili o le vai. Tutongi atu le voucher faatau waia o loa fai fali. Le mato fai nga paanga lea ma le Bluebird. O le mato fai nga paanga ma le Samoa stationery. Le o mawhai ena whaatau wai pusa aisa o no foa seking o foa so se tu ainga o loa e te wale whale. Not only that, there's stationery for the kids. You know, we've got back to school coming up. This will be another convenient way to buy a voucher for back to school. But they also have ideal gifts for Christmas. They've got a variety. It's like warehouse. It's like Kmart in Samoa, SSAB now. So, you know, we've got an option there to buy a voucher for Christmas. We also have some of the clothing wares. We've got Body Shop, we've got Big and Small, we've got J-Land. And just to name a few of the services there, we've got New Pharmacy. They've got beautiful items for Christmas, ideal gifts for Christmas. And we also have restaurants. So we've got Burger Bill there. We've got Georgie's Pizza and Italiano Pizza. So if you want to treat the family for, you know, a bit of a lunch or dinner, we've got Coco Banana for dinner. So those are some of the services that we have. We also have the transport side where we've got Autobots on the rental side of the, if you want to hire a car. So we also have them on board. And just many of the other services that we have online. So as simple as going online on our website, Pacific40.com, select from those services, you select a voucher. So this will be the tricky side because some people ask us for price lists of the products that they have so they can, you know, just to tally up and see what amount of voucher they're going to buy. At the meantime, because we're a payment provider, we don't have a price list of all these services, but we can help. You know, we can always provide an indicative amount price list for some of the products that they have. But, you know, you just head on the website, select the service that we have there, purchase a voucher, and then just, most importantly, you have to have the receiver's phone number. So that's how our customers receive the voucher, is through a text message that they will receive from us. They just show that text at the shop and then they redeem it straight away. It's as simple as that. So that's just the easiest and fastest way to send a voucher now. It's just through our website and it will be received via text and then redeemed straight away.
Honestly, like I mentioned earlier, I use it. It's It's probably, for me, it's like, you don't have to guess where the man, ke mi e vili mai, sis, manga o mea le 5 kala whai I said, whaile ia le, e se le me e alwele le 5 kala, if e se like, I like whai live may or, and I'm like, how are they doing their live? They must have topped up their phone, and you avoid all of this, and you are pretty much happy, a vili mai, se mea, if e kau se lo makua, you know exactly where it's going to, that it's going to what they said it's going to. So, and I think I love it. I love the service. I love that, you're not only helping our people back in Samoa, you're also helping businesses grow in, Gua. Because, ko kele kako leingofo Gua. I know I'm from LA Baka, to get to Aupea, it's like an hour's drive or something. Yeah, and so to have the talofa voucher available in remote areas in Samoa, perfect. Luce, did you have any Christmas a Christmas message or your final words to share with our viewers today?
Whamanuianga ia manuia le tapinanga o ainga ma wo I le nei Christmas le atato anga ia tu iai. Well, I think we're grateful that it's not COVID this Christmas. Some of the restrictions have been loosened up, and I think will probably be one of the best Christmas that we'll enjoy this year. So just get your family together, enjoy the best Christmas ever, maybe for some, but yes, if you need help with anything in regards to our services, we're now here at the Maota Samoa. We're just behind Say Oriana. We're here from Monday to Friday to help with any of the questions or even to go through the website. Some of our customers are still not IT savvy or even going on the website to use their cards or internet banking. So we're here at Maota Samoa. We're able to help you with any of those queries.
Ute, you have been such a blessing to our Blue TV. I may say le polikalamile o le Tautai A'e. Falute is a sponsor and has been supporting our program since day one, since it launched the very first day. And it wasn't just Tautai A'e, it was a series of programs that we had on Blue TV. So we would like to extend our thank you to you. You have been our gift and our blessing. So we just pray that everything in your business and that flourishes, and that you're a blessing to Samoa, you're a blessing to everyone. But thank you so much, sis. It's been great working alongside you. But ia o le nā Samoa, ia se tala no le nā pu'upu'u, a wā ia le pisingisi le o le Pacific40 talofa voucher. But we wish you all the very best for whatever you're doing. But don't forget, the #1 online solution is, of course, talofa voucher, Pacific40. Check it out on Facebook. You will see a list of different vendors being posted up daily, stories being updated. So don't worry. Everything, and then head over to their website for a list of vendors that you can enjoy in Samoa. But that's us. Thank you very much for tuning in to Whāsoifua, Bea Semu, Blue TV.
Hello?
Happy birthday, Us!
Yeah, happy birthday to Mkwa Makiva. Sorry, if you're Paul.
Ah, sorry. Ang aming kasi naswang ako si Pepe.
Also, can you go call me member of Fufu?
Yeah, okay, so for also.
Thanks, sis. Send love to the family.
Okay, bro.
I love you.
Love you.
Maloso.
Oh, Talofa, welcome to Thomas.
Malo.
Payment.
Talofa voucher. give me a second, eh?
Oh,
Hello? Auntie!
Seri, kau so yang Lea.
Oh, Vaoliko.
Oh, me fai.
Sorry, uso. Kau ngai sen me sau kupe ngai si fan tau le ma lunch para king.
Oh, nga me kenya wai whanga.
Baby, what do you want? Barbecue. Oh. Si fan more sorry.
Yeah, okay. Wai lo ta whanga changa.
Thanks. Love you. Love you as a family.
Love you, man.
Okay. Hello, Vaku. Yeah, Auntie. Barbecue? Yes. We have the barbecue, please. Tell off a voucher. Thanks, tell off a voucher. You know how much I love you?
No.
No.
Talofa lava and welcome back. Ia o leo ma whaatasi atu ma lea whionga. Ia Talai Lene Jr. Oh, you already know. He is not a stranger to Tautai A'e BluwaveTV, and we are truly grateful to have him here to share a little bit about Digicel. Ia Taupea ia le Kilickex service. Good afternoon. Wa mai ia Talai.
So for manuia I lau sunga pea, I mese foi le tātou Bluwave team, whaatalo whaatafo I paanga le tātou pokalame o mwhai ona mai mo mai I le tātou pokalame le Tautai A'e le nei a fiaf. Tautonu olo manuia o tau leanga le lei o le tātou mtai sili. Ia o fōfu le tautanga I mai, o leo iai Asiata le tātou pokalame e pea on masani ai. Ia o la waa matata whaunga Asiata Christmas. Yeah,
Yes, I'm not too sure po wenga approve ia le leave Asiata, but never mind. You know, we know that our 20 days of Christmas countdown, you know, it's all about giving back to our community and sharing tips. Yeah, whapea foi il pisingisi that we are serving, you know, what is it that Digicel has that can help our Pacific community during Christmas?
Yeah, pea ole mātou company, we're a technology company in a sense that we provide services that allow people to communicate. Not only that, but to also serve business and basically keeps families connected. So mai New Zealand ia o le mwhaiunga whakautapa pi whaloloa. Mwhainga alu le dairy, alu le supermarket. Mwhainga alu online, I le mako website, le e whanman mako app, le Digicel International. Mwhainga e kango lafo tapa pi lau a inga I Samoa. You can also send top up to Tonga, Fiji, Vanuatu, Papua New Guinea, Nauru. All those countries, Digicel Digicel operates in those countries. So going back to Christmas, we know all throughout this year when your family call up, they need top up for their phone. So our families, our people in New Zealand, Australia, wherever you are, have been sending top up. But I tell you what, comes Christmas, you know, this is a season of giving. So we provide service to make sure there's enough top up in the shops so that our people don't have to go far. But not only that, when they go online, the service is available, it's up and running. But we're also, you know, running some promotions to make sure that we're also giving back. So for Christmas, we're doing cash draws every Fridays. So every time you purchase a $30 top-up to send back to Samoa or to other Pacific countries, you go in the draw to win, I think our first prize is $1,000.
Oh, gosh.
Our second prize is $500. We have a $300 cash prize for third, and the last prize is $200. So not only you can qualify by sending a $30 top-up, but if you use Kilickex service to send money to a Digicel mobile wallet or a Digicel number in Samoa or other countries in the Pacific, you also qualify for the draw. So it wala mwhinga e anga ai le mako promotion o le Christmas. E benefit ai ka ko le whael kau kua le ai kau malele ma lafo top up, ma lafo kupe. So lafo le top up ko le suka la, ia ke alu kong le se le whai every Friday until Christmas. Ia whao ngā whaile au nanga Kilickex, e lafo le se leng. Ia, mo whaloa vangoa, so, you know, $1,000 and $500, $300, $200, sometimes it's not a lot of money to some people, But if you win, you know, that's money you can use for your family for Christmas.
Yeah, definitely. I love the wallets that you're talking about. Can you elaborate more on the wallet that Digicel International and also Kilickex Pacific have, sorry?
Okay, so I alununga le website le Kilickex Pacific. E mawhainga e kango select Samoa.
Yep.
Ia, ngai kango le lafo aku le kupe mai le Kilickex. Ngai le ngumela Digicel.
Yep.
But e ka kaunga ele skala mua. Like every time you send money, you have to make sure you register with ID, which if you go online to Kilickex, your passport is the most preferred ID you can provide. Not only that, e kaunga iso proof of address. O le address, o la sa welo ingoa le kusamale ingoa le lunga lo ID. Po le pili o le ketfongi, pili o le vai, o se kusi mai le statement mai le bank.
Yeah.
O mea mga mwhainga whaunga e prove ai, o le address kongu le e ke ngofo ai. Ia, e umalunga e le skala, o yellow account o le Kilickex. Ma whailunga e kango e whaunga, move mai le kupe mai lau bank, any bank in New Zealand or Australia. Wa Kilickex and pengala for me kupe mai New Zealand ma Australia. Whailunga e kango transfer mai le kupe mai lau bank, anga e lau Kilickex account. Yang whaunga le Kilickex e la fo le kupe ngumela Digicel alo ai ngai Samoa. Now, the best thing about this is you can do everything online. Ka ua ke le mo ka kou e pisi whaingan wenga. You don't have time to send money the traditional way. Lem whainga e sa alunga website e register o lo iei lau whaingan wenga Kilickex e fsosoangi aku I kulanga whapenga. So, and this is one of the reasons why Digicel always look for partners that provide solutions to make it convenient for our people to basically send money, send top up. Wai ko inga awa unganga pe foi inga yele kau kual ka ko Pacific40 le foi mfainga send la ko vouchers anga I ngumela Digicel li Samoa.
So basically, a whapea o lo ainga leo koe vili mai, ngā vili mea ngafi, koe vili mea ngei. So o lela, o ngā ia le Digicel ma le Kilickex, all they need is a phone and they can cash their money just by using their phone. Is that...
The easiest way to explain it is, so the Digicel number in Samoa, that becomes their mobile wallet. So, ke mile ke la fo ele kupeanga I Samoa. E kaunga kāle ngoa kakale Samoa, manungumela lang ketfong, yang ala folola ia. But the person in Samoa needs to go to Digicel and register with MyCash. So, ole ngoa le wallet ala Digicel I Samoa, ole MyCash. So, it's easy. You can ring up on the phone, confirm me uma, ia pe ke alu fes faloloa Digicel le lakalaka. E confirm mai o e kongu o ngā lungu mela lea. So, for example, if I send you money now, less than 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes, if I'm in Samoa, I will see a text message come through saying, you have received money from Bear for the amount of, you know, so the money is now sitting in your wallet, which are located fongi. So, pula leo e pula ke me ke alu e kalalo kupe, so ke alu a Digicel, show them they check that you're registered. Yeah, go through the process of withdrawal.
Sounds easy. So just once, you just register once and then use the service whenever, wherever. Right?
It's like you have a bank account.
Yeah.
Because if I receive $300 from Fimono, I can just withdraw $50 and leave the other $250 in there. I don't have to take everything out. Because all of my cash wallet, it's like a bank card.
Yeah.
It has a PIN number. Only you knows your PIN number. Ale lola lo ke fongi. Au ke pole le fa pe o lai lo malo kupe. Because you can go and get your SIM card again and your number, and only you knows your PIN number. Kusala ale lo ke fongi. Ko fa le SIM card. E sa walo SIM card nga la ko sa wa malo kupe le ko.
Man, that sounds really good. Is there anything else about the service that we need to understand? Do you want to elaborate on?
Ole ko ke leo kako kanga ka Samoa. I think the biggest part less struck or like giving or the registration. So lo whaukuanga wapengi so ka koe au kilangi. Susu mai le Maota Samoa. E ele officer kako Digicel. O le foi ma le sui o le kako Kilickex. Le awa whaingaluenga tuan tato officer. Em whainu sosoani atu. Sau ma mailo ID, lo passport, po le driver's license. A mailo proof of address. Ia, ona ma sosoani atu leo le tamaita ia veli. E whaasingo aku le whainga o le lafoina o Seileni. E whaongai le website a Kilickex. Whaongai lo kirfongi, pe whaongai lo laptop. Ka ua ia ngewai kemi le pisi. A misa ka koi whaingaluenga. E keleng mangawa mai ke leongo. So kemi ngā ua keleng aloka ke leo whale sa masenga la foi kupe. This is one way. E fsoswangi mo ka kou ia e whaingaluenga. E mwhainga e lafo le kerfongi o le kupe anga i le kerfongi Digicel i Samoa. Pawan me kaulia. Whaiko ainga Samoa e o Digicel. Whaisela ko SIM card. Ma le skala le my cash. Ia ngam whainga lafo ako le kupe o Christmasi ma so fia. Whaonga i le Kilickex.
I love the service already. You know, it's all about Christmas and about giving. But Talai, I know Masaroko Kilickex, they want to know this year has been a big year. You know, we've experienced COVID, but now it's a little bit different this year. The restrictions have dropped. What's one thing that you're grateful for this year?
Oh, look, when the restrictions for COVID got lifted, you know, ngai elo mafofau whapea I lunga ko kelengi se whakaula ko top up, ko kelengi si ko e whaongale Kilickex e lafo I se lengi. But, you know, it looks like things are still growing.
Yeah.
So longo winga le ai ele lango ka whaonga mako aonganga. So I'm grateful for the support and the trust that people, our customers, put in our service. And, you know, we try our best to provide the best service as well to make sure that we serve our people well.
Yeah.
And we're always available when they call us if they need help with anything. They can visit us at the office. You know, Digicel is nationwide in New Zealand and in Australia. So we get people calling up from Christchurch, from Wellington, and we're able to answer and assist wherever we can. So to all our customers, thank you very much for your support throughout this year, and hopefully we can continue to improve as well in providing service that we can serve you well.
With our series of Christmas countdowns that we've visited various businesses here in Auckland, Pacifica owned or Pacifica run businesses, we've asked all of our businesses what's their interpretation or the meaning of Christmas to them. What's yours?
For us, Christmas is about giving. And I think we provide platforms that allow people to give. And, you know, hopefully it's the best way for someone to give a Christmas present to someone that they love and care about.
Yeah.
You know, a $50 top-up sometimes may not be a lot to some, but it means a lot to the person receiving it in Samoa. You know, you can just say, "Why, yeah, bawala lo kupele ye. Lela la fokula top up le lo malo fanga ya ole kisimas." We also have a way where people can send a talofa voucher to a Digicel shop to pay for a phone.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're made in it. We've developed these partnerships to make sure our fia fai me alofa se iPhone, ya po se Samsung ila uai ngai Samoa. Ya ngala walua fa ngale partnership matalofa voucher. Yeah, it's an elevator Digicel. Yang I follow, for example, if I purchase phone, if I sell a weavers full, yeah, I can just send a 500 tala of about Digicel. Yeah, I follow if I Merry Christmas, phone.
And you know, I think also, we forget what a device like a phone has, the magic that it has, and I think, you know, people are like, oh, too much on your phone. But we've moved with time, and I have to admit, a phone has been a massive contribution to our Pacifica families in Samoa. You know, le ngaka ua whaonga to research for mea onga, not just school, but they've developed skills for being creative. You know, they've done videos, and they've even done adverts for, you know, various businesses, and it's something simple like a phone that we kind of like, oh, it's not good. It actually has helped our children in Samoa develop skills that we didn't think that, existed in our Pacific community, but we were so wrong. But look, what is a Christmas wish for you, Talai?
I want to win the lottery. Seriously.
I think Asiata won the lottery.
Yeah, I think that's why
because no one is able to leave the way Asiata left, right?
Look, I think we all want to win the lottery this Christmas, but if there's one wish for us, for me personally, is probably to be able to spend Christmas with my family somewhere outside of Auckland.
Yeah.
We hardly have the opportunity to travel as a family and enjoy together. So, hopefully everything costs money.
Yep.
But, as I said, you find the money to do it.
Yes.
So, for me, to all the families, ngai ainga Samoa fu le whalongolo marikimingi. Yeah. Kako ong sa ia whai ai mga avelo ainga whakawhau se mea ngeki se mas. Ia ong sa isu kupe ave wale loa. Ia pe, yo fui kai hoko sa ulis whala laviko lesis kupe, and at least you get to enjoy this with your family.
We've heard a lot of tips from our females, and a lot of our females dominate the internet when it comes to Christmas tips. We feel like, or women, and just some, not all, feel
they
like
spend money all the time.
we do spend money, and thank you to our men. But from your side, what is a tip that you can give to us? Because I feel like a lot of the time the women do all of the whakao. What's your tip, your Christmas tip for our viewers today?
Give all the money to your wife to do the shopping. Less stress for you. You save up time, and But honestly, if personally, just to speed things up and help, like, look, make a list. We're worth, 20 days from Christmas?
Yep.
Or 24 days?
Yep.
Yeah. So make a list. Everybody's going to be rushing in to buy stuff in the last week leading up to Christmas. So you've got 20 days. Spend every Saturday, go to the shop, tick off those lists.
Yep.
You've got 3 Saturdays to do that. And I think you'll have peace of mind come that Christmas week when everybody's rushing, but you've got your stuff. But if you really want to save time and not stress about it, just give your wife the money. She does the shopping for you.
Just leave it. Talai, yourself, Falute, have been, honestly, I don't know, in words, I cannot describe how much you have been such a massive support to BluwaveTV Tautai A'e, Bluwave. Your words of encouragement, your contribution to the business, and your support means everything to us and to our team. So we thank you both for that. But did you have any final words you wanted to share?
Where's my present?
Merry Christmas.
Well, no, look. So, and I think this is one thing we're starting to see. We're starting to have the confidence to own our own business, operate. So we're starting to change the mindset. And our Samoan people who are in leadership position as well are empowering our people to start owning business, but to also support each other.
Yeah.
So I think the partnerships that Digicel as a business, Pacific40, and all the other businesses are having with Bluwave and BluwaveTV. So you're providing a platform to get our business out there for people to know about what we do. We would like to pay you as well for your service, and hopefully see you grow to be a big media company. If sosoangi kako business kaka Samoa kaka Pacific, I know BluwaveTV is already big. I'm just saying that, but momolia koe whawhkai kele le awhionga whalolonga, awhionga ia anai ia po le awhionga fo ngā whakasi fui mongo. yeah, mesele staff at Bluwave, thank you for all your service and what you've done for our business. And we hope that you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And, let's hope for 2023 to do bigger things and work together like we do, supporting each other.
No, thank you once again. I know that you are missing Asiata, but never mind. He will be back and you will both continue on with your tag team while you leave me as the third wheel. But there you go. It has been, again, a wonderful day spent here with the beautiful owner of Pacific40, the wonderful Falute, and of course, Talai, who is here representing the boss man for Digicel, Vaetolo, another representative for Kilickex here in Maota, Samoa. We'll see you later. Pacific40.
Lucila's Realty is here to help our people achieve the best results for their properties. Whether you're selling for the first time or have sold and moved on before, we want to make sure that you are well informed and know what to expect every step of the way. We can get you the best results for your property. Whether you're selling to relocate, upsize, or downsize, you've come to the right place. We manage the entire process from start to finish. If you're in Samoa and want to get in contact with our team, please call Lucila on 725-0965. If you're in New Zealand, please call 021-082-05466 or email sales@lucilarealty.com. Lucila's Realty, helping our people achieve the best results for their properties.
Talofa. Welcome to Maota Samoa Service Station.
Talofa!
Talofa. 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 Talofa.
Talofa!
Talofa.
Talofa!
Ua iai foi au nanga I lunga o Pacific40 ma le maua app. Mo nai tatou ainga, o lo alala I atu no mau.
We will see you again. God bless.